So good day guys. Ngayon is dadating daw yung FedEx and laman nun is grading from Beckett. And nag-email sa akin kanina and syempre mag-open din tayo ng prismatic tins later. Meron tayong dalawa pang natitira. Nakita nyo naman, swerte si mama ko nag-open kanina, diba? I mean nung birthday niya. Today is February 19, so wala tayong ganong vlog. Maingay na naman, nasa tindahan tayo. Anyways guys, papakita natin yung mga grade ng Beckett na sinabit natin. So it's gonna be fun. Samahan nyo ko for today's video. Let's go guys. Nandito na yung FedEx guys, nandito na. Ito na guys, ito na.
Sir.
Ay. Magkano kasi yan? 975. Naiwan pala kahapon no.
Kasi nagbata nung nakaraan. Pero magawang 20.
Wala. Bigyan na lang kitang ano, may sandaan kayo dyan.
Meron.
Bigyan kitang 75. May parating ako niyan eh. Kaso hindi ko alam magkano babayaran ko din. May sa susunod kong babayaran.
Pasunda ka boss. Ne. Paano makakapag-ready ka agad?
Oo, sige. Tama. 75. Okay na. Thank you.
Medyo patas ng baga, ausan daw na.
Sige. So, ikunin sa ano natin. Beckett Collectible. Ngayon may letter pa sila. So, open na natin guys. Dapat ganito yung ginagawa ng PSA. And the graded cards is in here. Later na natin open sa taas. So guys, ito na yung Beckett natin. Ayan. Ang ingay na naman ng nasa baba. Unboxing from Beckett. Grade reveal na guys, grade reveal. So paano ba? We have 10 cards total. And Naruto, ito yung Naruto guys. How can I do this with and ang grade niya is BGS 10. So this is a Shanks. So nice so nice. Okay, we got BGS 10. Then next is the Roger, and the grade is BGS 9.5. So not that great. Yung una natin pinagrade is 10, ngayon 9.5. Madamot. Then the text stickers guys, text stickers. We have text stickers here. The first one will be Pidgeot. Text stickers tuloy. 24K gold plating, and this is a 7.5 near mint. Not bad. Next will be Gyarados. Ito yung number na lahat na to is na-pull ko kay Boss Jess. So this is so nice. Not bad. Next is Charmeleon. Uy, BGS 9. The Pikachu. And my Pikachu will be the BGS 9.5. Not bad, not bad. Next will be the Wanted Buggy 9.5. Then the Green Ninja. First Green Ninja will be BGS 9.5. So dalawang 10. So tapos 9.5, 9 sa centering. Grabe naman. Langang white see. The other one will be 2 Green Ninjas natin. 9.5, 9.5. Hindi pa ginawang 10. Ito sayang, 10 na sana to. And lastly, the Naruto will be 8.5. Kayu Naruto. So yun yung 10 cards na dumating sa atin from Beckett. Not bad, not bad. Knowing that diba? And mag-open tayo ng prismatic later. So yung mga nakarang araw is sila mama, papa, at saka sila Jaisel yung nag-open ng prismatic. And don't worry guys, we have ourselves na bubuksan. May dalawa pa tayong pins. So hopefully this time we will get an SIR. Anything that will nako, ewan ko na lang. It's so hard to get an SIR in this set wala pang IR. Yung IR lang dito yung yung tawag dito EV. So sana meron at least dito medyo tahimik. So let's go guys. So unahin natin si Leafeon. May feeling ako makaka-Leafeon ako nagaginip ako pero siyempre naginip lang yun guys. And let's check the coin. Uy, nice. Grabe, ang ganda. And of course, the 2 packs of Leafeon. Ang ganda guys. Leafeon team, meron tayong Dragapult Evolution. So yun guys, yung ating prismatic pools. As usual, no pools. Yung first tin natin na pool ni Papa to, Pinsir, and si Terapagos, si mama ko. So ito yung ano nila, papagrade natin to guys, para makita natin kung anong grade nung mga na-pull nila mama. Siyempre sentimental value. And ito na-pull ni Jaisal naman sa ETB, and may master ball siya. Natin from Beckett, and kung gusto nyo rin magpasa sa akin, you can contact me to my other socials, and or you can comment here. And kung gusto nyo magpasabay, and guys, if member kayo, may 20% discount kayo. So grab that, subscribe to my channel, and be a member. So may pag-giveaways tayo. So possible pwede kong pamigay itong text sticker for my members. So kung hindi ka pa member, be a member. So this is so nice guys, even though it's 7.5, at least Beckett yan guys. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Click the notification bell to keep you updated, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace!